I'm Adam, the executive chef at the Lodge at Woodlock. Today we're going to be making a beautiful homemade cranberry sauce. It's really easy to make at home, and I promise once you make it once, you're never going to buy the canned stuff again. First, we're going to add our cranberries. Next, we're going to add the orange juice, cinnamon, fresh ginger, brown sugar, salt, and black pepper to taste. We're going to mix all the ingredients really well and make sure they're really well incorporated. We're going to turn our pan on high heat, bring this up to a boil, reduce this down to a simmer. Now once you start to cook this, the cranberries are going to begin to pop. Don't be afraid, they're just releasing their natural pectin and sweet flavors. So we're just going to occasionally mix this as this is cooking. So once the sauce is cooked for about 20 minutes, it's reduced down by half. This is the finished consistency right now. It's still a little bit thin, but as this mix sits, it's going to start to thicken up. The natural pectin and sugars are going to thicken this sauce up. So we're going to transfer this into a bowl. Now this is a really versatile sauce. You can use this as a spread on a sandwich. It's great for the holidays, it's great for Thanksgiving, and it's really high in antioxidants and vitamins as well. So when you're ready to serve, we're going to garnish with a little bit of orange zest. And there you go, folks.